Y'all hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Share the video like you do the powder bag. Share the video like you share needles. Share the video like you share that hope. Understand? Hey, 42 Dugg, don't ever in your life lean to the side like that with your shirt off in the tank top, taking a picture like this right here. Don't ever in your life do that again. Like, this is something Saucy Santana do. Don't do that, bro. Like, you tripping. Niggas size you up, you too little for that shit, man. It don't matter about all that jewelry, all that shit. You look like a peewee. You look like a peewee, man. Offset rain in your pockets. Yeah, Offset rain in your pockets. Ain't no damn way that nigga ain't. You picked that money up and you walked off and he ain't short as you is. Come on, man. You need to tone that shit up, man. Call Moneybag Yo, ask him what BBL doctor he went to. Start working out first so you can get toned up and then go get the surgery. You need to get ripped up, man. You need some real SpongeBob. When he blew the muscle up, you need some of that right there, man. Like, you can't be short like that and look like how you look and you be standing to the side, all this shit done. You like taking pictures like this. This don't look good on your image right now. Now nigga look at you like, nigga start second guessing your lyrics and all that stuff. We know the D behind you though. But if you got the Offset shit over your head right now, we wasn't even gonna bring it up. Wack 100 said something on Clubhouse, it would have stayed there. Wasn't no blogs really, it didn't really get no traction. It stayed there. You spoke on it. But Dugg, when you came online and did that little live and shit, you was pump faking and capping. What you lying on your kids and putting it on your kids and putting it on God and your mama and all this stuff? Like, what you do all that for? Like, now nigga can't trust you. Like, you ain't had to do that. You could have just said it ain't happened. You ain't had to do all that stuff. You ain't had to put that smut on your kid's name or your people or God's name. So now how many kids you got? Yeah, 2 or 3? Yeah, go ahead and put $250,000 in that account, man. Yeah, for putting smut on their name, not putting no respect on their name. Yeah, go ahead and break the bank. Yeah, you got it. You get it back in show money. You selling out shows. You lying on your kids. You lying on God. You lying on, yeah. Go ahead and break that bank, man, for lying, man. Go ahead and clean that little smut up, man. Nigga can't even believe you no more. Like, you just capping for no reason, man. That shit was old. Ain't nobody really see it. Ain't nobody talking about it but Wack. Come on, man. And he ain't just bring it up. They asked him a question. You know, they could have left it alone. You know how much shit he said now? He said shit about Boosie. He leave it alone. Learn how to avoid shit, man. Like, when you do interviews, do they bring up Offset? Do they bring up that night? Anytime you did an interview, did they ever bring up, well, what happened with you and Offset? They say you ain't nobody bring that shit up, man. Like, relax, man. Chill. And then if you know it's the truth, like, when you come on live, make sure your lie's right. Like, make sure, like, don't cap too hard. Like, that's too hard. When you know they can back it up, like, lie good enough, but they don't come back with more receipts. Like, I'll let the nigga have it. Don't do that like that. Now the nigga gotta, he making it seem like Wack line. Now he gotta show Offset DMs and shit like that. Like, come on, man. And then he showing your DMs and shit, man. You ain't got no time for that. But you made time. You responded. And then you lied so hard. Come on, man. Allow your kid for some little petty ass shit like that, man. Man, you crazy, man. You spoke on it. And then you gonna take a picture like that, and why you got police on your damn leg? Come on, man. Man, you could have ordered some firefighter pants on Amazon without the police shit on it. But you could have went to a fire department. Oh, well, nah. Ain't nobody really your size, though. Firefighters, they be tall, or like 6'1", 6'2", heavy, 250, 220, 180. They don't be your size, so yeah, you got this little female in there or something. You know what I'm saying? You got what else shit. Other than that, like, yeah, you gonna have to order that shit, but nah, man, that wasn't no good look. If you that side right there, leave your shirt on. Leave your shirt on. Like, don't be taking pictures in your tank top and shit like that. Especially like when you around taller men. Like, don't do that, bro. Like, make you look like a peewee, make you look like a little nigga. It don't matter. You showing the jewelry or you showing the money or whatever. Like, nah, man. Put your shirt on, keep a jacket on, look sturdy. Don't be looking relaxed and shit. Come on, man. You gotta keep your image up, man. You in character mode. You ain't at the house. You ain't at the backyard cooking out. Then you could be in the tank top and it's all good. You know what I'm saying? You out in public, man. Chill. Where you hot, you can wait till you get on the tour bus or wait till you get. I already know you don't give a fuck what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? You getting paid, you rich as a bitch, so you ain't tripping. I understand though. Yeah, I seen your showdown show in Detroit. Yeah, y'all did y'all thing out there for shit show. And I also seen Detroit lose today against the 49ers. But you know, the D looking real good right now. And you're a part of that. You're a part of history, so shit. You know? But the Offset shit, nigga, you got your get back. Nigga ran in your pockets. I don't know if he took something, but he ran in there with your side. Nigga try you. They ain't, come on, man. They ain't finna let you just walk off. You gotta have your crew, and they gotta step in front and stop shit before a nigga can get off. The nigga don't get off on you for this, Dugg. Like, they ain't finna let you handle them. Come on. Your size, hell no. You gotta be a stepper. Like, you're in relationships and shit. Like, females, they'll try you. They'll swing on you. The average black female, she'll swing on you. I'm telling you, 42. Like, you gonna have to show her. She gonna feel like she can slang you against the wall. Especially like the females is like 5'9", 5'10", man, they'll try you. Megan Thee Stallion type, they'll try you. Krishan Rock, they'll swing on you. Tommy, Love Hip Hop, they'll swing on you. Women like that, they'll swing on you, man. I'm telling you. You cheating and shit like that, they'll try you. You ain't got no fear in your size. Like, you're not intimidating. So, and then your voice. So yeah, you gonna have to show her something. And it's gonna be hard to slam her. Cause she thick. You like them thick girls. It's gonna be hard to pick her up. It's gonna be hard. You gonna have all that jewelry on and shit. You know what I mean? I'm telling you. They're gonna hammer you. They're gonna grab you by your hair, do you dirty. You're gonna really have to go to the max. You're gonna really have to go to the max damn near to hurt her. And then you're gonna go to jail because you went too hard. She gotta call 911. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, you're gonna have scratches all over your face. She trying to stick her finger in your eyeball. She can reach it. She look down on you. Stay away from them thick girls that's way taller than you. Understand, man? Then these females wearing high heels. Shh. It'll be rough, man. It'll be rough. I'm telling you. But the Offset shit, man, you got your get back though. You understand? Like, he did that, he got off. Y'all did that, but it wasn't just you. See, Offset still the winner though. One-on-one type, he's still the winner. With your crew, y'all stripped him. With your crew, but one-on-one, you can't do nothing with Offset. You can't. They don't make you no sucker, you just can't beat them. You ain't catch the fade, you let the GD get off. You can't let no GD get off. How you let the GD get off? But you let that happen, like. It seems like they're giving you a pass. You ain't really getting no backlash, so you straight. Like, just move on. Stop talking about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, but make sure you making bangers, because in a minute they're gonna start saying 42 Dugg fell off. So be cooking up, nigga. Be cooking up. You understand? Like, we're gonna see though. Can't never count the 42 out. I'm pretty sure you got something for these folks, so a nigga gotta be patient, so it is what it is. But yeah, man, don't ever take no picture like this right here. That's that saucy Santana shit, man. You ain't been in no Diddy parties yet. Calm down. Calm down. Don't let these niggas know. Don't give the nigga the heads up that you down and all that shit there. What is this? Come on, man. You from the D, man. You from the D, man. Real stepper. Like, I thought y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Don't nobody in your crew take pictures like this right here. You can do this, you can throw the piece up, but doing this right here, that's what females do, man. Come on, man. That's what females do, man. They do shit like this. They'll lean to the side, and then your body, when you stand up, stand straight up. You too short for that shit. Stand straight up. Stop. Man, come on, man. Come on now. All right, now you're gonna be at the party. Then they're gonna say everybody leave, but you stay and 2 more other people stay. And yeah, everybody else go home. Now, you want to level up, nigga, come, all right. Stop that now. Yeah, I know Lil Baby. Yeah, I know Lil Baby, he broke the door down and took the picture and all that there. But hey, chill. You from the D. You from the D. Don't do that. See, Icewell, copy him. Yeah, he ain't gonna lead you wrong. Icewell ain't gonna never take a picture like this right here. Yeah, shout out, baby. They don't take pictures like that right there. And he be shell, and he still ain't. I ain't seen one he like that right there. He going to the side like that. Come on, man. Yeah, man. But it is what it is, man. Y'all let it be known, man. Y'all hit the comments, man. Hit that notification bell. Share the video. Hit the like button, man.